Oh, we go SNR first? Yeah. Okay. So, morning guys, afternoon, whatever. Robinson Place. That's the son of Robinson. Haha. So we're on our way to SNR, buy some shit. Then I'm gonna go to buy a new laptop normally. Because my laptop is pretty bad. Kind of drop it on the floor one day, got broken, and then since then, a few months ago, just keep on bumping. I'll show you some video. So yeah, that's kind of hard to edit, and I'm kind of scared that actually I'm gonna lose all my data one day. So I already transfer most of it, music and everything, so it's fine. But you know, I mean, this laptop has been with me since 2013, so 5 years now. But 2 years ago I changed the hard drive. So yeah, he's been served well, you know. I mean, laptop you give them like usually it's 2 to 3 years, or 3 to 4 years, you know. So 5 years, it's pretty good, I think. This one counterflowing. I don't mind you counterflowing, but just do it on the side, no. So yeah, getting a new laptop finally. I think it's Asus. That's the one I have now, currently now, is Asus. It's touchscreen. I think I pay in pesos, it must be around 25 to 30,000 pesos, like 5 years ago, probably. Something like that. So another one we're looking now is like 26,000 pesos. So we get this one, get this guy. Relax. So we're gonna get one from 26,000 pesos, something like that. 500 gigs of memory, 4 GB, something like that. I don't really know actually. I don't know shit about laptop. I wanted to get a Mac before, but then the problem with, apart from being very expensive, I know it's nice, Mac are nice, but it's very expensive. The other problem is when you are on a Wi-Fi, it just consumes much more Wi-Fi than anyone else. My Asus is okay, but then when someone comes in the house and plug it with a MacBook, it's just internet goes very slow. So when you have family dinner, you know, family day, and then everyone comes, so you got one iPad, 2 iPhone, 1 MacBook, and 1 Windows PC. Internet goes very, very slow. And yeah, I read somewhere that this cost from MacBook, Apple gadgets take a lot more Wi-Fi than anyone else. They're using more Wi-Fi basically. So yeah, so we'll see. I need to, hopefully the computer I'm gonna buy, the PC, the laptop, will have how do you call this, Windows Movie Maker. I need to download a few things to edit, that's it. Windows Movie Maker, that's the one I use. It's simple, it's cheap. It used to come free, but the last time I had to pay for it actually. So hopefully it's free. And yeah, Windows Movie Maker is very, very simple to use. Very nice, not complicated. So where do you want to park, hey? So finish SNR. My first time there is quite big. Yeah, it's okay. Buy a few things slightly cheaper. Thank you. I know. I go around and I park in the other one. Parking is a little bit of a struggle today in Arabangton Center. There's a parking there for motorcycle, but it's full and very, very tight, so I don't want to park there. I'll just go around and I park on the other side. That's not good. My wife got the laptop in front. Huh? She got the laptop in front, and I got her bag on the side here. Very nice. So now leaving Arabangton Center. Thank you very much. Those guys in. What was the name of the shop? PC Express. Yeah, PC Express was nice. Buy the laptop 25. We take extra slim. There's no CD player in there, but then on my last laptop there's no CD player neither. Extra slim is like 2 kilo. It's quite nice. It's like 400 pounds basically. 350 pounds, 400 euro. It's not cheap, but then I need a laptop, so buy one. Yeah, I get a bag also. They give us a bag. Filtering is tight, is hard because of we are very heavy now. We have a nice laptop bag, Asus. Yeah. Actually, I'm gonna take the laptop at work sometimes to edit video, to save time on editing when I have a lot. That's what I actually done last time. I take it at work and I forget I have it. I drop my bag on the floor somehow and my laptop break, and it started to have problem. That was like maybe like 6 months ago, and then it started to have some big problem. So yeah, it's quite good, not good deal, but it is expensive, but it's good that I finally buy one. I also buy a power bank, make my life more easy. So yeah, I'm just gonna go home and sleep. Oh, I need to actually download. There's no movie maker in this one. I need to download it again. Movie maker. What is in my image size? Because resize the image every time I want to put in a thumbnail. So I might gonna download it again also. Bit and pieces, transfer. I need to transfer all my music. I need to transfer iTunes. You know, all those things you have to transfer again when you come up with a new laptop. Do you wanna go by BF or no? Same. Should I go by BF? Fuck it. Okay, let's go by BF. Just gonna cut off the traffic. It's a bit slower, but you don't have any traffic almost. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys. As usual, I'll see you later.
Many thoughts on my mind, I can't sleep at night, so I just keep writing. I don't need no help, I don't need opinions, so don't waste my time then. I just been living online, my city don't show me no love and that's fine. Fuck local radio stations, I got more plays than all of these rappers combined. I'm going again, I've been going in, I'm fed up with so many things. I gotta just let it all out, I'm talking about the shit they've been talking about. Telling me I should do this, telling me I should do that. Telling me things about rap. Talking the truth and that stab in my back, they will knock me off track. No, too many things have been building, been hard to deal with, I just been drinking. Remember my